Hey there! Ever built a form in WordPress and had no idea how to actually get those responses sent to your email? Well, today, I'll walk you through how to set up email notifications using the Easy Form Builder plugin. Fast, simple, and completely free. Let's dive in. Accessing the settings. Alright, first things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Easy Form Builder, and then tap on Settings at the top. Easy, right? Entering your email address. Next up, go to the Email Settings tab. Here, just enter the email address where you want to receive notifications. Done? Great. Now don't forget to hit Save Settings. Testing your email server. Now let's make sure your server can actually send emails. Click on Check Email Server and wait a few seconds. Got the test email in your inbox? Awesome. Did it go to spam? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix that next. Using Mail Tester. Pro tip. Here's a quick pro tip. Open mailtester.com in a new tab. Copy the temporary email address it gives you. Now jump back to your plugin settings, paste that email in the field, save it, and hit Check Email Server again. Reading your email score. Head back to mailtester.com and click Then Check Your Score. What's your score? If it's under 5, that means your emails might not always make it to the inbox. But don't worry, I've got a fix coming up. Use an SMTP plugin. To improve email deliverability, use an SMTP plugin like WP Mail SMTP or Easy WP SMTP. They're beginner-friendly and super effective. I've linked the full SMTP setup guide down below in the description. Make sure to check it out. You're all set. And that's it. Your WordPress forms now send notification emails, reliably and professionally.
If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.